In this video, we will learn how to do this text reveal in Canva. First, go create a new video project. Then change background color to black. Then go to Elements. And I will search for motion. But you can use text as well. I will go to Graphics to search for my elements. Okay, here it is. Adjust and change font color to white. Now search for running person. Filter animated. You can select it anyone from here. Adjust its position. Since we want this running man animation, let me make some adjustment first. All you need to do is click on this animate button. Then click on this bee icon. Drag your character from one side to other. If you want to learn in detail about Canva animation, then I have created a detailed video, do check that out. After that, select movement style to steady. In this way you will have a smooth animation. But okay, what about text? To animate text, again click on animate. Select wipe option and reduce its timing. I will bring this to side. You may need to adjust multiple times to position it correctly. If you are not satisfied, then you can again create new animated for you running character like I did. Okay, this is how to do it, but let's add some other elements. I will add a text box and do the same animation. There you have it.